Oh, you got it.
What'd you get? What'd you get? Let's see what you got.
So who win? Who? Joy? Yeah. What's up, YouTube? It's 터프정우
And Ashley.
We are going to Ashley's school for
Fall Festival.
oh yeah, fall festival.
Fall Festival!
Yes. So I will show you guys when we get there. See you soon. We are here, Ashley's school. Nice, perfect weather. Little bit windy, not too hot. She said today's nice.
Necro Jimbo.
What Jimbo crazy?
What's that?
Come here.
You go.
Buy ticket.
There we go. That table will get you down there.
This one. Go.
There we go.
Bye.
I'm heading tonight.
30.
There you go.
Yes, ma'am.
Y'all have
Thank
a good
you.
night. Have a good fun.
Later, I'm gonna put in my YouTube. Okay. Yes.
Absolutely.
Let's try the book there.
Oh, let's go game faster.
Wait, we have to wait on Joy. I cannot be separated with her, or else I have no one to yap to, and I have
Did
to
you
yap
tell
to
her
myself.
my phone number? Did you? Hello. How are you?
You ready to have fun?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right.
Later, I want to picture you and my Ashley. Yes.
All right.
Where are you gonna be?
I'll be all over the place.
Oh my goodness.
I'll be like a chicken with my head cut off running all around. So I'll be here.
See you soon.
All right.
Yes, ma'am. Extra. This is like us here.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
good.
why it's so low? Even I'm a short lady. I have to go like that.
Maybe I should do that. I'm tall.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah. Hold that spot. Oh, that was close. That was close.
Come on, Mom.
You got it.
She doesn't want to take it. So you're making something? Yep. Hurry up, you hurry up. Crazy.
We have 1 point.
1 point.
This one,
2, 3.
this one, 3 points.
Yes, ma'am. Go.
Go ahead.
Go, baby. Oh, you got it. Mommy turn. You keep going. Oh, oh, what the? Oh, too high, too high.
All right.
Yeah. Go, baby. Oh.
Let's see what Mom gets. All right, come on.
Ah.
Can't have a tie.
Say thank you, man. Go, Candy.
No, back up. We can't have a tie. We got to see who wins.
Oh, really?
We got to see who wins.
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
another
Oh,
one.
because you won one.
One wins.
One wins.
All right.
Go, baby.
All right.
Okay, one. Okay, let
All
me
right,
see.
Mom. Can you beat her?
Yay! I win, I
Mom gets one thing
win.
out of the green bucket. You get one thing out of my pink bucket, okay?
Yes, ma'am. So mine is the green bucket.
You get green bucket.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Go,
ma'am.
go, go. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Good girl. What do you want me to get?
A slap bracelet. What
Yeah,
do you mean?
this one?
No, these.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
By the way,
Thank you, man. Dino. Hey.
I'm just standing there. Medicine.
We are making sure 2 hands give it to people.
What'd you get? What'd you get? Let's see what you got. Nice fruit snacks.
Yeah, Give it to teacher.
Absolutely.
Give it to teacher. Put it here. Put it here. Say thank you, teacher.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Thank you all.
Have a great weekend.
Yes.
Guess what? You're gonna appear on my YouTube channel. Which flavor? Which? Cherry. Say yes, ma'am. Say thank you, ma'am. Where is it, Joy? Oh, here.
You guys want to go
Are
next?
you kidding me?
Oh, that's cherry too.
Very yummy.
Yeah.
I don't like a cherry snow cone taste.
I asked for strawberry, but they have
Oh, or grape is perfect.
Cherry. I love strawberry flavor things. But
So who win? Who? Joy? Yeah. So who won? Joy? I don't know how to play this one. Did you have fun?
of course I did. Let's go. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.
Bye bye.